Hi, I'm Martha. I just wanted to say a big thank you for supporting the Give an Hour campaign. As you may be aware, the BBC are putting enormous weight behind it. I think pretty much everyone in the country should hear the message, and hopefully it will encourage many millions more people to show somebody the internet for the first time. As you probably know, I care deeply about this issue. At the moment, more than any other time, we need to give people all the skills that we can in order to help manage their lives, whether that's getting back into education, finding a job, or just reducing your feeling of isolation if you're an older person. By encouraging the 30 million people who use the internet every day to help those who can't, hopefully we can all spread our skills and get many millions more on the internet. I'm actually going to be showing my dad. I'm a bit ashamed to admit this, but despite being on email, he really isn't very good at getting onto the World Wide Web. So I'm intending on showing him the wonders of Facebook, the incredible research that he could do, he's a teacher, and his absolute passion, which is gardening. Wish me luck, he's pretty tricky. I'd really also appreciate it if perhaps you could encourage people in your organisations to give an hour by just spending 2 minutes telling them what you would do when you showed somebody the internet for the first time, or perhaps who you'd show it to. A grandfather, someone you work with, somebody you've met, somebody else. I really think that we can go a long way to closing the gap here in the UK by all spreading our love for the web around.